Hyundai CRETA Electric. Over 1 million have driven their dreams, and millions can't wait to. Hyundai CRETA Electric. Electric is now CRETA. Hyundai CRETA Electric is here. Some would ask, why now? Because now, there are roads that don't slow us down. And when we want to go beyond, we know that we can. Now, because over 1 million have driven their dreams, and millions can't wait to. And in our journey to lead, we refuse to stop. Because now, we can go on and on. Now, because we look up with pride. And we follow our passion forever. Hyundai CRETA Electric. Electric is now CRETA.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.